This is the F800 health watch. It's really amazing health watch with lots of sensors. You've got some controls in here, notifications sent from your phone when you're tethered. You also have your step count, calories burned, distance traveled, last night's sleep time like most watches. I drop over here and you're getting your heart rate. It's also showing you your high and low of the day because it's doing continuous heart rate in the background that it transfers over to the app, and you can set the range like every 10 minutes up to every hour or two. This is what's brand new on this one, and it's about laser therapy treatment. We'll talk about that at the very end. You also have ECG. Just by simply touching here, it'll begin producing an ECG chart. That can be transferred to the phone, and from the phone it can run through an artificial intelligence interpreter and give you an idea if you have any health concerns that you should look into further. You also have blood oxygen using both red and green diodes for this one, and back to your basic watch face. The treatment, as we'll get into, you've also got temperature in here from the wrist, from your forehead, or from some alternative measurement way. It's got sensors in the back for temperature. Heart rate is there, steps, blood pressure, blood oxygen. We saw all of that. You got workouts that are pretty basic, walking, running, climbing, basketball, all of those different things. And overall settings and the QR code to download the app with the stopwatch. Let's talk about treatment. When I turn treatment on, you see red lights show up down here. That's not diodes, guys. That's honest to goodness cold lasers. 650 nanometer lasers are going into your skin to perform laser therapy. See the longer review on what that is and what it might do for you. This is the F800, and it's quite the health watch. Check it out.